Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to take a look at a bunch of charts here, and I'm going to give my analysis and thought process, and you're going to walk away from this video with some newfound knowledge on technical analysis as well as some profitable trade ideas here on these names that I'm going to be covering. But first, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, go ahead and give us a visit on the homepage of the website and get to know us a little bit better. If you like the free videos and analysis we give to you on a daily basis, it's nothing compared to the membership at thetradinganalyst.com. Once you sign up with your free 7-day trial, you're going to gain instant access to the private Twitter feed, daily watch lists, the real-time profitable trade alerts, exclusive member videos, webinars, and an education from mentors like myself who truly care about your success in the market. It's a great opportunity and we'd love to help you. Alright, so we're going to take a look at the Aapl chart here to start, and I'm just going to go to the weekly time frame right here, and what I want you to be focusing on here is this breakout over this previous resistance right here. You can see in 2015 we had a lot of trouble with this 133 range, and we could not close over it. Right here, we've got a solid weekly close above that, and we were making new all-time highs. So now I'll go to the daily time frame right here. Now we can use this level at about 133 as a support. So if we see some lower prices, that is a level that should get a bounce. So 133, that's the level you want to be focusing on here for Aapl. More than likely, Aapl is going to continue higher here in the midterm and continue making new all-time highs. The next stock we're going to be taking a look at is Googl. And Googl, if you've been following along with our videos, you know that we liked Googl for a long. Once we broke over this little range right here, we said this gap was going to get filled, and maybe even a little bit of this candle would get touched as well. So that's exactly what we did. So congratulations if you followed along there. The next thing I want you to look at is also this resistance that we have right here from these previous all-time highs right here at about 860. So 860 is going to be that next resistance that you want to look for on Googl. We have support down here at about 837 approximately, and that lines up perfectly with this uptrend line that started right here. We've got a bounce right here, there, right here. So a nice uptrend line matching up perfectly with this horizontal support at about 837. The next one we're going to take a look at is Nflx. Nflx, I really want you to focus on a couple things. First, we've got resistance up here at about 145. These are the previous all-time highs right here. Next, I want you to focus on this uptrend line that we started right here in November. Got a touch here, right there, and that lines up perfectly just below us right here. So if we see some lower prices, that is a level that could get a bounce. Now I want to back it up here, and you can see we've also got some nice support between about 132 and 129 based off of these previous all-time highs right here, and right here. So if we do see some lower prices on Nflx, that's going to be a nice level that could get a bounce about 138 to 129. And we also have this nice uptrend line, and I'm going to extend it right there. You can see it started right here in July of last year, got some touches here and right here in October. So definitely some levels here on Nflx that you want to be aware of. The next one we're going to take a look at is Priceline. And Priceline, you can see here we're near all-time highs. These are pretty much all-time highs for Priceline, so very bullish stock. And here in the short term, we've got what I think looks like a bull flag right here, basically just a sideways consolidation pattern. And what you can look for is if we clear these highs right here at about 1660, then we can make new all-time highs and continue higher. So just pay attention to this little pattern here. If we break these lows right here, more than likely, and those lows are right around 1629 approximately. If we break those lows, we're most likely going to head down to about 1578. But if you look at 1578, we've got some nice support. It was previous resistance right here, and you can see we broke over it right here and then used it as support right here and then bounced. So definitely a level right here that you want to be aware of. The next one you want to take a look at is SIG. And SIG, I'm going to back it up here, and you can see right here we got a bounce from these previous lows in October, and then you can see we're getting a nice bounce off of these levels right here. So I do think that in the short term SIG can head higher here, and that next resistance you want to look for is at about 79.50 right there on SIG. The next one we're going to take a look at is Mdlz. Mdlz, we were looking for a reversal here at the tradinganalyst.com last night. We mentioned it in the member video, and today we didn't get in this trade, just to make that clear. We were looking for a reversal, but obviously it moved too fast, too quickly for us to really get in it. But massive move right here, and it surpassed even what our target was going to be if we did in fact get that trade. But now, what are we looking for on Mdlz? Well, it's coming up to a big time resistance. You can see just in the short term right here at about 45.50 approximately. Big time resistance right here on Mdlz. You can see over here we couldn't break through. Right here, over here we barely broke over right here, and you can see it just broke right back down after it broke over that level. So Mdlz is not really liking this price points up here above that $45 mark. So definitely something to be aware of. This level is something that you definitely want to keep in mind if you're trading or investing in Mdlz. Thanks for stopping by and watching the video, everyone. Again, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, visit us on the homepage and get to know us a little bit better. If you like the free videos that we give to you on a daily basis, it's nothing compared to the membership at thetradinganalyst.com. The best part is, once you sign up with the free 7-day trial, you're going to gain instant access to those profitable trade alerts that members are getting on a daily basis. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to have you.